Hello Xiaomi friends. Today we will demonstrate how to disassemble and assemble the Redmi Pad 2 4G. Disassembly General Tools. Here are the tools we will use during the assembly process. SIM card ejector pin, plastic pry tool, anti-static wristband, plastic pry bar, needle screwdriver, plastic tweezers, gloves, plastic scraper, heating platform. Next, we will show you how to disassemble the Redmi Pad 2 4G and provide related precautions. Before we disassemble, please make sure to back up all data on the tablet first and then turn it off. Next, we need to remove the SIM card tray. First, we need to use the heating platform, and we wait for it to heat up to about 70 degrees Celsius. Then, we can start the heating platform and continue heating for 60 seconds. When the time is up, we can remove the tablet from the heating platform and use the plastic pry tool to slowly separate the screen from the tablet. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws of steel and take out steel. Disconnect the battery and screen cable connectors. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws of the compact holders. And take out the compact holders. Disconnect the rear camera cable connector and remove the rear camera. Disconnect the camera front cable clip and remove the camera front. Disconnect the main FPC cable. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws of the speaker and remove the speaker and the main board together. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the other speaker. Disconnect and remove the other speaker. Use tweezers to disconnect and remove the FPC volume key. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws of the compact holder and take out the compact holder. Disconnect and remove the main FPC cable. Use tweezers to remove the subboard. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the speakers. Disconnect and remove the speakers. Remove the easy pull tapes. And remove the battery. At this point, the disassembly of Redmi Pad 2 4G has been completed. Next, we will show you how to assemble Redmi Pad 2 4G. Redmi Pad 2 4G Assembly. Put the speakers in the correct position and connect the speaker's cable. Then tighten the speaker screws. Use tweezers to put the subboard into the correct position. Connect the main FPC cable clip to the small board. Put the compact holder into the correct position and tighten the screws. Put the speaker in the correct position and connect the speaker cable. Then, tighten the speaker screws. Use tweezers to install and fasten the FPC volume key. Put the speaker and mainboard into the correct position. And tighten the screws. Use tweezers to put the rear camera into the correct position and fasten the cable clip. Use tweezers to put the camera front into the correct position and fasten the cable clip. Connect the main FPC cable clip to the main board. Put the compact holders into the correct position and tighten the screws. Stick the easy pull tapes to the corresponding position of the battery and use a plastic scraper to smooth it. Stick the head of the easy pull tapes to the battery in reverse. Remove the sticker of the easy pull tapes and put the battery in the correct position on the flat plate. Stick adhesive TPs on the back of the screen. Use tweezers to secure the screen cable clip. Use tweezers to fix the battery cable clip. Put steel into the correct position and fix it with screws. Lay the conductive cloth flat and install the screen. Install the SIM card tray. Finally, we install the SIM card tray. The above are all the disassembly and assembly steps of the Redmi Pad 2 4G. Thank you for watching.